Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Over 600,000 in people in the US were homeless in 2024. In 1967, while Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was still a college hooper at UCLA, he began training with a martial arts instructor. Atoms vibrate. Everything you have ever sat on is a vibrator. Protons are not simple spheres. Their shape is influenced by the movement of quarks within them. Depending on the speed and direction of these quarks, a proton can appear more like a peanut, rugby ball, or bagel shape. Singing when tensed helps you avoid anxiety and depression. Alex, an African grey parrot, was the first and only non human animal to ask an existential question. He asked what color he was. It has powerful jaws that can bite off human fingers. In 1 year, earthworms can digest up to 36 tons of soil, recycling it to make richer soil. Children want to be grown up because they will be free. Grown ups want to be children because they will be free again. Only about 10% of the world's land is used to grow food for both human beings and animals. Babisura, its task can pierce through the facial skin. Lanugo, a common symptom of anorexia or malnutrition, is when your body develops fur-like hair to protect you from the cold. This happens because in both these conditions there is little fat in your body which normally acts as an insulation against the cold. Argentinosaurus laid eggs about the size of a rugby ball. Jordan Rice, a 13-year-old Australian boy, became a symbol of extraordinary courage during devastating floods. Despite his fear of water, he chose to save his younger brother's life at the cost of his own. People who have disrupted sleep with frequent awakenings are more likely to remember their dreams. This is because dreams often occur during lighter sleep stages which are easily disrupted. Cyprus is believed to be the home to the world's oldest perfumes. Excavations on the island revealed elements of perfume manufacturing dating back to the Bronze Age. Engineers at the University of California, Berkeley have developed a new type of desalination plant that uses less energy than current desalination plants. Start your day with 4 to 5 curry leaves on an empty stomach to reap their nutrient-packed benefits, including reducing hair fall, preventing premature graying, and boosting hair growth. The term second for the unit of time measurement comes from the fact that it is considered the second division of an hour, with the minute being the first division. People who maintain a slim figure while eating freely often have a slower metabolism, not a faster one. This is because they tend to have less muscle mass, which reduces their basal metabolic rate. A lower BMR means the body burns fewer calories at rest. The thorny devil collects moisture in the dry desert by condensation of dew. This dew forms on its skin in the early morning as it begins to warm outside. Then the dew is channeled to its mouth by gravity and capillary action via the channels between its spines. Siberian Huskies will obey if required to, but their natural tendency is to be cooperative rather than obedient, and they prefer to be companions rather than mere pets. Elephants exhibit self-awareness by recognizing their reflections in mirrors and have also passed body awareness tests, abilities rare among non-primate species. Earthworms have ever been ranked the number one most influential species in the history of the planet above dinosaurs and humans. In Alaska, the sun sets on November 18 and does not rise again until January 23. This results in about 66 consecutive days of darkness during which the sun stays below the horizon. In 1981, 750 million people watched Princess Diana's wedding. In 1997, her funeral was watched by 2.5 billion people. Cats domesticated themselves. Anthropologists believe cats approached humans on their own terms 12,000 years ago. The first agricultural societies stored food that attracted mice. The cats decreased the rodent population by eating them, and a mutual relationship began. Percy Fawcett, an explorer who survived arrow wounds, snakes, and cannibals while measuring the Brazil Bolivia border, he disappeared searching for a lost city, surviving only on beetles while claiming to communicate with a giant sloth. A woman named Joy discovered she could smell Parkinson's disease. In a study, she identified 11 out of 12 Parkinson's patients by scent alone. Nearly a year later, the 12th individual was also diagnosed, making her detection record a perfect 12-12. The reason some people feel the need to pace while on the phone is because when you talk on the phone, your brain is lacking the visual feedback it usually receives from face to face conversation and begins to translate emotional responses into physical movements. Facts about B positive blood group. People with B positive blood can receive blood from B positive, B negative, O positive, and O negative blood groups. B positive is an important blood group for treating people with sickle cell disease and thalassemia who need regular blood transfusions. B positive platelets are in high demand because anyone can use them except childbearing aged females of types O negative, A negative, B negative, and AB negative. People with B positive blood group have a strong immune system and stable nervous system. Thanks for watching.